Hello, friends. Thank you for joining us today. We are back with IBM Hack Challenge 2022. As you all have received the notification about participating in Code for a Better Future, all of you would be willing to know the steps to join the competition. This competition is organized by IBM in collaboration with All India Council of Technical Education. Competition is powered by smart interns. Let's move to the benefits of the competition. This hack challenge is bringing to you technologies which are emerging, like machine learning, cybersecurity, data analytics, Red Hat OpenShift, and artificial intelligence. These all technologies are latest and emerging. Not only the learning to these technologies, but it is also bringing to you access to Red Hat CodeReady workspace, also to IBM Cloud. So during this hack challenge, you will explore all the latest and emerging platform with access to CodeReady workspace powered by Red Hat and IBM Cloud. This hack challenge will bring at the end top faculty members, top performers, and top team. All the faculty members, top performers, and team will be invited to IBM Bangalore for the distribution of prizes and certificates. So at the end of the challenge, you all will be analyzed and the top performers will be selected. We wish you all the very best. And now we are going to learn the steps to register for the challenge. We'll be taking you to the next step where you will learn how this challenge is going to work. Stay tuned to us for the next slide. So you all need to now remember this link, smartinterns.com/IBM-hack-challenge-2022. You can also bookmark this link. We have shared the link in the live chat window. Using the link, you can go to the home page, and here you will have an option to register now. Before we initiate the registration process, it's important for you to know the following steps. Here is the challenge overview. As we have shared with you earlier, for this year, IBM, a tech giant, is bringing Red Hat OpenShift, cognitive, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, machine learning, data science, and analytics based platforms. And what you all are expected to do, you have to build solutions so that you can better relate it to the world's problem. That's why we have named the challenge as Code for a Better Future. So let's talk about the benefits. There will be online technical boot camps. You will get a platform to earn Red Hat and IBM skill badges. You will also gain free access to Red Hat CodeReady workspace and IBM Cloud. There will be no charges for you for accessing to IBM SkillsBuild courseware and software. Technical mentorship will be by faculty and industry mentors. There will be exciting prizes for top winning teams and many giveaways for top Red Hat teams. We will have a special jury award for top performing teams. At the end, you will receive participation certificate from IBM. This will only work if you submit valid projects with us. So all of you are to ensure, if you are a faculty member or you are a student, you are to ensure that you submit valid projects to us. Here, by us, we mean IBM. So once you scroll down, you will have challenge flow. Step 1, you have to register with IBM Hack Challenge 2022. This registration will help you to code, develop, and innovate for a better future. Then you have to start your journey with IBM SkillsBuild. You have to create IBM SkillsBuild and Cloud account to get free access to courses. Then you have to complete the assigned courses. Why you need to complete these courses? To earn the badges. Fourth step, upskill on emerging technology. We will provide you boot camps. You have to attend 11 days or 7 days hands-on boot camp with us. This will help you to upskill on the latest technologies and platforms. Fifth, demonstrate your skill coding for a better future. Now what you have to do is you have to form a team and start building the solution. Once you build the solution, you have to submit it. So this competition eligibility is that you should be a current engineering, MCA, BCA, BSc IT, MSc IT student. You need to be a current student associated with an accredited academic institution. It is very important. And your submission is dependent based on your qualification to the step 1, which is eligibility. Second, register for IBM SkillsBuild and Cloud account, which is very important. Using this only, you will be able to build the solution. So if you will not have the software access, you will not have the self-learning course access, then you will not be able to build a proper solution. Third, complete the assigned courses and get the badges. Now, what we bring to you here, benefits of IBM SkillsBuild account, which is access to cloud, software, courseware. Key technologies are covered here in depth over various platforms. You will have live access to technical sessions, which are going to be delivered by IBM experts, and there will be digital badges which you will get after you complete the course. So digital badges will be your achievement after successful completion of the course. These are some of the important dates. Registration has started already. We will commence first bootcamp on 1st of September. The registration would close by 11th of September. The project development work will be starting from 12th of September. We will do another commencement of bootcamp 2 on 12th of September. 16th September, there will be mentoring and question and answer session. So if you will have any doubt related to the project development you are assigned with, you can discuss it during mentoring session. We will have another mentoring session on 20th of September. That is for Q&A session 2. This session will also help you to solve complex problems you are facing while designing the project. And the most important date is submission date, which is 25th September. You all are to ensure that you submit the solution before the date ends. Now, you can choose any problem statement. We have curated 4 problems for you. One is around Red Hat. Second, cognitive and artificial intelligence. Third is data science and data analytics. And fourth is machine learning in cybersecurity. Each and every problem is based on different domains, which are listed here. We have taken 4 important domains to share with you the problem statement. You can choose any of the problem statement followed with the domain you wish to work on. Here is a glimpse of problems: applying AI to help people improve their lifestyle, rush estimator for corporate cafeteria, visual analytic and recommendation system for digital marketers. Likewise, there are many. Digital payment book, develop and deploy an application for nutrition assistant. If you move to page 2, you will have other problem statement. And if you will move to page 3, you will have the remaining 2 problem statements. So on an average, you will have about 14 problem statements to work on. Feel free to choose any of the problem statement suits your skills better. To know about any of the problem statement, you can click on Know More. Here you can study about the description of the problem statement. What are we expecting you to build? Which all technologies you are to use, and references. References will take you to some important material which can help you to build the expected solution. Using these references link, you can stand out to be the best performer. In case you don't wish to choose this as a project, you can close and you can read out about any other project. Some project will have reference. Some project you need to find over the web to build solution, and accordingly you can start working in making the project. Now, as we had discussed, these are the important dates. 11 days boot camp. There will be live session. Here are the timings. We have designed the timings with a view that all of you can be available to attend boot camps, and it will not anyway affect your regular learning. Then the 7-day boot camp, which is going to take place from 12th of September till 18th of September, will be a recorded version of the live session. Then there will be Q&A 1 and Q&A 2. Again, we have highlighted here the eligibility, submission guidelines, judging criteria, instructions. You all are requested to spend good time to study all the important points so that you can complete everything as per the desired outcome. Here are FAQs you can go through, which are related to participation in Hack Challenge, team size, multiple problem statements, valid submission, accountability, forming a team, how you can access the course, cloud, badges, and other software which are free. Let's move to the registration process. Now you are to click on register now. So the page will ask you for the first name. Let's say Rahul Kumar. Your email ID. And valid mobile number. You are to set a password which needs to be at least 8 characters. You have to use one uppercase, one lowercase, and one numeric number. Start registering now. We'll give a pause for a few minutes to ensure that all of you register on the portal successfully. So after you will create your account, you will receive a verification code on your registered email ID. Once you will add the registration code, you will be able to then log into the account. In case you face any challenge, while logging to your account or while signing up, or say you have closed the window because you have not received the code, but after some time you have received the code, then through your email you can click on verify account. Once that will happen, then you can come on the same link and click on login. You can use the password which you have set while you were signing up to smartinterns.com. This is how I did, and this is how I have signed into the account. Now my all credentials, which are name, last name, mobile number, email ID are here. Now I am to select the other things, which are country, state, gender, and university and college. So for university and college, I am choosing IIM Rohtak, college location, Rohtak. You have to mention your college location, your college name. I'm a student of management and studies. I will choose commerce and management department. If you are a student of BSc, you will choose BSc. You are a student of computer, you will choose computer. Like that, you will choose the stream. If you don't get the desired stream, choose other. You have to select the year of graduation. This means the time you are completing the graduation. If you are a faculty member, you can still choose the year of graduation because this is the requirement. After that, the time you're submitting the project or you're changing the role, then you may change to faculty member. Now here you have to select the bootcamp. First is live, which is going to happen from 1st, or you can choose 12th. I'm choosing 1st. If you have any question, you can type here. We'll recommend you to skip this and click on submit. Now you are here. You can see a dashboard which has the following steps. Register for IBM Hack Challenge. We have done that. Create IBM SkillsBuild cloud account. We are here. We have not created any SkillsBuild or cloud account. It means we have not enrolled in any software access, website, or portal. So we are at step 1, which we have completed. Now we are to strive for step 2. How it will happen? We are to click on start learning. So you can read the instructions which are here. This will help you to create your SkillsBuild account. We have also posted one YouTube video which can help you with a step-by-step guidance for creating the account. You can skip this video also and start working with us here, where we are taking you to step-by-step process of creating your account. Because it is mandatory, we are to first initiate creating the account. Option 1 is you should have IBM valid SkillsBuild account. Now, how you can check that? We will be taking you to another screen to check on how to create IBM account. For some institution, IBM has given the access to get free of cost softwares. Let's try with your institution. If that step is not applicable for your institution, then we will follow the steps mentioned here. Let us try whether your institution is with IBM lab access or not. This is again the very important link for you to check the eligibility. Save the link. It is www.ibm.com/academic/home. Here you are. Click on register now. To check the eligibility, we are trying with a basic email ID, which is info@iimrohtak.ac.in. So if you see here after @ what we have? We have here the official domain ID. This can help you to verify whether your academic institution is eligible for the lab access or not. You can choose here to use your name @ your institutional given official ID. Click on submit. So yes, to my institution, IBM has issued this email ID. If they have not issued to your institution, you have to skip this step. Now this is for those to whom IBM has allocated this ID. You have to choose a role here. If you are a student, choose student. If you are a faculty, choose faculty or a staff member. I am choosing student. Choose a degree. Again, here you will have several options. I am choosing MBA. So you have to choose here any degree, but this field cannot be left blank. You don't have option here like we had in Smart Interns, option to choose others. But if you don't have any option here in short degree or current degree, you have to choose any of the degree. Then is the short degree. I'm again here looking for MBA. You can choose your short degree or program. Expected graduation date. Mine is 2024. And month, I'm choosing June. Department. Now I am from accounting and finance. I will choose this department. If you are from a different department, you can choose a different department. There are many options. Again, I don't see here any option to choose others. So you have to select at least one option to move to the next step. We have another field which asks us for enroll me in IBM batch program. You can check here what it is. Like we had discussed previously, that through this program, after completing the course, you will earn badges. These are the same badges which we were talking about. You are recommended to choose yes here. Yes is already selected as a default selection. Don't remove it. Then is the agreeing to the software download terms of services. This field will open when you open the agreement. Read out the agreement and click accept. Then is the privacy consent. Open the document. Read every field carefully. The account will revalidate after every 6 months. So after every 6 months, you are to re-verify your credential like you did while signing up to the previous account. Once you will re-verify your credential, you will again get the access to the web portal. So after every 6 months, the page will ask you to revalidate your account. That means you are to re-certify your account, because sometimes we get graduate or our IDs get deactivated. This step is to ensure that your email IDs are active and you're the same person using the account. This is a background verification through IBM to ensure that a particular user is using the account. Then you can click on accept. Then you click on register. After you click on register, you will be redirected to create IBM ID. Type your email ID, which is your official ID, first name, last name, password. Password is case sensitive. Please ensure that you type the password as per the required or desired terms. Then you have to choose the country. After that, you have to go to additional information. Then you have to click on verifying your email ID. Once you will click on verifying the email ID, you will receive one email validation link over your official ID. Once you log into your official ID, you click on the link or you type the code shared by IBM, and then you will be able to create, or you will be able to log in to the IBM web portal, which can give you access to different platforms to use the software and complete the course access. Take a pause and fill all the fields to create your account. If you face any issue, you can type us in live chat. We will address all your queries instantly. So after you create your account, you can log in. Page will ask you to type your email ID, which is your official ID. Then it will ask you to add IBM ID, which is again your official ID. Then is the password which you have set for your account. After adding the password and your email ID, you will be here. These are the most popular topics covered, which you can see after you scroll. Artificial intelligence, capstone, and other technologies. You click on any, you will receive lot of inputs. So this portal will help you to get guidelines to different tools and technology which you choose for developing the project. You can also click on capstone to get access to capstone projects and resources. The page will take you to cloud access, software, and courseware. You can click on all those to get the access. For getting IBM Cloud access, click on IBM Cloud, and here your journey starts. This is it for now. If your college is approved by IBM for SkillsBuild lab access, if it is not, now let's go to student dashboard of Smart Interns to know how you can still create the account. So for this, you have to request for Smart Interns email ID. If your college is not approved under SkillsBuild software access, then you have to get one email ID from Smart Interns. So you have to fill a form to apply for the email ID. Once you will fill a form, apply for email ID, and they approve after checking your background and getting all the clarification, then they will issue you the Smart Interns email ID. After that, you can follow the same steps. You can go to IBM SkillsBuild portal, sign up over the portal. You need not to then use your college ID. You can use the email ID issued to you by Smart Interns. Here you are to mention your first name to request for your email ID. Please ensure that your name is mentioned correctly. After that, you have to mention your last name, that is your surname. You have to mention your email ID, registered phone number. You have to select the gender. Then is the designation. You have to select the country. You have to write the complete college or university name. Please don't do any spelling mistake. Location, which is city or region. Then you have to select the state. State where your college is located. We have given the hint to fill the fields downwards. Check every hint before you fill the form. Select your designation, select your department. Designation can be principal, vice principal, dean, professor, faculty, training and placement officer. Because here we have not mentioned student, you can select other if you are a student. Then you have to select the department. Here you have option to select the department. If any department or your department is not mentioned here, you can select other. The page is also asking you to mention so if you select yourself as student, you will have a very defined page. Then you will not have those questions. You will have a question like year of passing. You will have a question of selecting the department. So first, please ensure that you choose your designation so that the field of form can work accordingly for you. Then click on accepting the terms and click on accepting the privacy policy and data collection statement. Once you will click on accepting these things, the page will be submitted and soon you will be given Smart Interns email ID. If still in case you face any challenge, you can reach out to Smart Interns to help you to enroll in this program. Here we have a complete video about it. Then there are step 2, which takes you to complete the course and upload your skill badges. Then you have to attend the technical boot camp, and you can then enroll and submit your proposed solution. This we have covered already. Here, once you select the project, you will have projects to select. Once you complete the project, you will have the certificate. You will also here on dashboard will have updates on different webinars. This all is free. You need not to pay anything to anyone. We wish you a very good luck and we hope you have enjoyed all the steps shared by us. And now you will be confident to successfully register on the portal and help us to build a better future. For any query, you can reach out to us through live chat. Our team will help to respond you to such queries. You can subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon. Like this, we will bring many platforms to you to register, to enroll and compete with the team at national and international level. Choose TechRight as your helping hand to build and help you to upscale in the areas of technology and emerging trends. We wish you a very good luck and we hope that maximum of you will enjoy working with IBM in this hack challenge and also will be able to attain the top position. Keep posting us once you win the top performer award. Our team will be encouraged enough to bring such kind of free of cost platforms to you to help you building the career. Taking you back to the portal, smartinterns.com, you have to click on register to enroll yourself for IBM Code for a Better Future Hack Challenge for this year. Before the registration last date arrives, do register and participate well till the end. Tune to our channel to get more updates on the latest offering. Thank you.